Hey, I'm back again, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Y'all know, woo, it's a workout right here. But check this out. This is a new dance I got called the birthday slide. It's a celebration dance for everybody who's celebrating a birthday. So y'all remember this. When y'all got a birthday coming up, or y'all know somebody's birthday, hey, request that birthday slide by Big Mucci. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all how I go the Big Mucci way, which is the easy way. Here we go, check it out. With your right foot, you're gonna go 2 to your right, 2 to your left, 2 to your right, and 2 to your left. So it's going to be 1, 2, left, 1, 2 to your right, 1, 2 to your left, 1, 2. From there, I call it get on your motorcycle because I'm a biker. So what you're going to do is you're going to step forward and you're going to hop on. So it's like this. Step up, turn, bring it back. Together. One more time with your right foot. Follow along with me. I'm going to do it in slow motion. Right, bring it up. Turn, bring this leg up, and bring it back. Together. We're going to do it again from the beginning. 5, 6, ready, go. To your right. To your left. To your right. To your left. Now step up, bring it back. Together. From there, we almost done. It's going to be 2 slides. Slide to your right. Slide to your left, then you're going to turn to your left. It's going to be slide to your right, slide to your left. That's the whole dance. Easy. So let me do it one more time, then we're going to do it with the music. 5, 6, ready, go. To your right. Hey, to your left. To your right. To your left. Get on that horse. Step up. Bring it back. Hey, now slide right. Slide, turn, slide, slide. Hi, y'all like that, don't y'all? That right there is the birthday slide. Now we're going to do it together. Let's go, y'all.
Birthday slide to your right, to your right, to your left, to your left, to your right.